Guys, I've already told you about this channel, but I'll introduce you to it again. This is Tyler Lay. I think it's Lay. He'll say his name. Let me start it off. He's a engineer that loves sharing about concrete. We'll watch a little bit of it, and then we'll bounce out of it. It's part of what I'm sharing with him. But I like some of his comedy he puts in here. Here we go.
Aggregate reaction, the silent killer of concrete.
Here we go.
My name is Tyler Lay, and I'm here to help you protect your concrete. Have you ever had a concrete structure that's been in place for years? You're so proud of it. You're so happy. You're so excited to go take your friends to see it, because that's what we all do with our concrete structures, right? And then you show up one day after several years, and it looks like this. Or maybe like this. Or maybe like this. What causes this? What happened? All those pictures were examples of alkali aggregate reaction, and that's a deterioration where the cement paste.
Okay, let's stop there, guys. So ASR, right, is what I did the one video on. After watching his video here, I shared it with, let's see, is this it? Where is it? Yeah, I shared it with him. Tyler, and I'm talking to Tyler now too. I'm going to share him the follow-up to I have to this. I want to show you this. I got to record it so I can put it together in one video. So I'm actually recording this now, but here we go. So in this video that I made, and Tyler, you grab what you want to grab, I'm saying that this is water related also. The rainwater, salt water is contributing to this ASR because we have a 50-50 mirrored version of this. Internal to this one inside covered space, not on the floor, connecting to the floor obviously, but we don't see the same ASR. I will show in the end part of this video where the ASR is showing itself on the floor. It does have a lot of water that does get on that floor, rainwater, salt water from shopping carts, etc. It's not insignificant, but you can see where it's specifically at the thresholds of this doorway. And here we go. Expansion. And then you can see the fine white outlines. And over here. Guys, what you're going to see in the next part of this video is that they cover this over with a cement product. And here we go. And it's interesting. I mean, I filmed it today. This was going back to get Tyler some more material, surprise him. And yet it's been covered over. So we still got material to surprise him with, as you'll see in here. But at least now you can blend it. You can do a multiple blend of his video, add the covering of the ASR, and all he did was cover it. They didn't stop it, but here we go. And over here too, it's raining out, so I'm gonna try to be fast with this, and I'm gonna show you something else. So you see the fine white lines here. But what's so cool is though, this one is got a sister next to it. So I'm gonna pause it there. And Tyler, you can take out of the other video, which you like pausing it because you'll probably get a better quality out of the other video. But this was all in one pour. This is protected from the elements, and this is not. When I say elements, I'm talking about rain and snow. Interesting to prove Tyler's point about it's a cement-based issue here. In the next part of this video, you're going to see this floor, which is predominantly covered over. You do have a lot of water coming in from shopping cart wheels and things like that, but not to this extent that I'm going to show you the ASR on this floor in this second part of this video. Next to it, inside, rain on this side, no rain on this side, and you can see that the concrete looks beautiful. So, just want to share with you guys, ASR, water's being the cause of it, the acting influence. So recall, I'm basing this on the only difference between these two, not time or different materials. They're same pour. You can follow it all the way through. Only difference is water is part of this outside exterior water, salt water, rainwater, snow. So it's not just the aggregate. It's going to be some water contributing. There we go. Moisture. How about that? Hey Tyler, I came out here to give you a little quick update. This is Costco, the location of that ASR job issue. You can see they covered it. And of course we know that if they didn't do anything else, it's still got the issues. And there it is internally. And they did it on each unit, except for it's already delaminating on another one. I'll show it to you. Oh, cool. You see what we got over here. They didn't, apparently. This one's covered more. This one's out of the rain with the overhang. Huh. Not quite out of the overhang. It's still about the same, except for it's not as bad. Of course, it's got less of a shelf. That has more of a shelf, a standing shelf. Let me, let's find us another. Of course, this wintertime, all this should start separating, cracking, and everything else. Let's take a look at the other one. So, there's the other one. Then we got one more left. But, isn't it interesting? They took care of that. But they left right here. Right here is their doorway. Their doorway. There's the paste. Right there is your paste coming out. And there's your side action going on. I just slapped it on there. Craftsmanship's not that great. And we got number. Oh, we're up to number 3 now. 3 or 4. And apparently they only paid enough to do the bottom. But you will see everything's going on. The same mix. Look at it, the same mix. This is a warehouse. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. Then we got this cover here. They had some more cover. So one of these when I walked in, it had a chip in it. Huh. Oh, okay. It's getting dark. This will present it like a chip, but it's not. It's actually just a variance in color and the it's just craftsmanship. Okay. You can see all that failure is just gonna mirror its way right on through. What a waste. Now what's interesting here is that this has got cover. We're under cover, and yet we still have 100% of the problem. Not as much paste showing itself. There's the control joint, and just interesting. It didn't cross the control joint, which at the same place. Which I just take note of little silly stuff like that. I know it should not have, but so there's your whole thing. It's just trash. This whole thing is just trash, as you can see. Let's get down lower, see if we can get it from a different angle. I'm gonna get different lighting. I'm gonna switch it around. There's our paste coming through.